Welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to use Facebook avatar. So let's dive in. The first step is you open your Facebook, and the next step is click on this your profile menu button, and the next step is click on settings. The next step is click on your personal details, and you click on your profile. The next step is click on the profile you want to use avatar, and this is it. Click on avatar. And let's set up our avatar. Which tone, hairstyle, outfit or mode do you want to use for your avatar? So I'm going to click on this, click on OK. And now which style do you want for your avatar? This is for a girl or your boy. You can just scroll up and down to check the style of your avatar that you want. I'm gonna choose something random now. So let's choose something good. Okay, let's see. Right, I love this. Click on next. What of the ear color? You can change the ear color. You can see, you can change the ear color. You can see, just go down like this. Click on next. And what of the body do you want to use? You can just go down and check the bodies. You can see, I'm gonna choose something like this. Click on next. And now hairstyle, clothes you want them to, oh wow, see guys, it's so lovely. Click on next, and this is it. Your avatar is being created. So guys, if you found this video lovely and helpful, click the like button and subscribe for more.